Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Create Wealth, where we talk about forex trading. How can we trade forex with the help of expert advisors and robots? This video is about a new expert advisor for MetaTrader 4, and so far we it's there is no fancy name. You can say it as EACDTH. Okay, and this expert advisor, we have been trying to provide optimal result, and generally it works better on the 15 minutes time frame. It is specifically for euro USD and New Zealand dollar USD, and as I said, we have 15 minutes time frame. So generally this time frame is better, as we have tested and analyzed, and in the past and also tested. So because these expert advisor uses these two pairs, and these two pair we found better, or maybe more favorable with this expert advisor, when we tested it. Okay, so and also the EA is very simple, very simple to use, and all the indicators, or the strategies, they are very much carefully selected and being incorporated. This expert advisor works with a reversal signal. It works when the chances of reversals are very high, and the distance between each trade is just 30 pips. So it would not hold your trades for longer. Okay, so EA works with a reversal signal. So let's go from here, guys. This is the expert advisor that we have not created any video so far, so we are just demo testing it. Okay, and we are sharing the result in front of you, and we are testing this expert advisor during the time when it is a very high time, due to US elections, and later on the results after that, and during these all geopolitical tensions and the war situations and all this stuff, when the world is moving towards the World War III. However, we never want that. Okay, so to trade with like uh, three pairs, we need 2000. We can also trade on 1500. If just for one pair, I would suggest 600 to 800. Okay, so balance, we started with 2000 on demo. So we included USD CHF later. However, Euro USD and New Zealand dollar USD would be considered a little better, but yes, USD CHF is also okay. So, so when the movements are so much higher, and all these are pairs, whatever we have chosen, these all are USD attached, right? USD related. Euro USD, USD CHF, and NZD USD. These are not the cross pairs. These are the major pairs. Okay, and so we made around 141.87 as a profit on 2000 in 1.5 month. So, and the running trades right now are these. So as I said, this works on the reversal, right? So when the chances of reversals are very high, in that particular zone only, it will open the trades, and it will not happen that it will always use to open the trades all the time. Okay, so there would be very certain conditions when it will open the trades, and only when the reversal chances are very high, or the reversal signals are there. Okay, so let's go to my FX book for this. So this is the my FX book statistics for this expert advisor. 2000 we started with, and the maximum drawdown was around 16.89%, and the monthly is around 4.58% as a profit that the EA has generated so far. Okay, and this is in October we started 2.41%. In November it's around 4.52% so far. So this is all about this expert advisor, and it's been 1.5 months, and I'm creating this video just to show you that how the EA has performed during those volatile moments, And also our VPS where we put these expert advisors are about to expire. So I think like it is a good time because 1.5 months is okay, not much, but yes, during these time 1.5 months is also okay to test any expert advisor and and how the EA has performing. Maybe the profitability would be a little lower, maybe the drawdown would have been a little higher, but yes, it is important that how the EA was able to manage the situation or not. Okay. Anyways, this is about this expert advisor. If you have any question, then please do mention this much, EACDTH. Okay. Or you can just put this link and if you have any query, just do mention about the name or just the link so that I would be able to understand that which one that you're talking about. And in the video description, you will also find I will provide you my FX book portfolio where you will be able to check all the expert advisor or the systems attached with my FX book. Not all, because a couple of them we removed earlier, a couple of them were removed by mistake, and couple of that we will be removing shortly because a lot of links are there and it will create the confusion uh, between people like who are going to check it out. Anyways, if you have time, then you can check all of them or whatever you want to. And if you don't have, then probably you can just search, like just put Control and F and just look for um, EACDTH, and you will be uh, like uh, like you will be able to find that link, and when you open that link, then you will be able to see this. Okay. So if you have any question, feel free to contact me on email or Telegram. Both are in the video description. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for being with me. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, then you can uh, like just like and subscribe my YouTube channel. And also, guys, my intention to create the videos on this channel is not to promote forex trading. Okay, because forex trading is very risky. I am just sharing you what I have found in my account, whatever I have traded in my real account, whatever I'm trading on demo account, I'm sharing you all with transparent figures. So there is no like intention to suggest you or to encourage you to trade forex. Okay, so so everything is transparent. That is what I mean, and I tried to include the expert advisors which have been consistent in one way or the other. And in my YouTube channel, please go to my playlist and you will be able to see the expert advisor we have been trading for years. Okay, maybe not on one account, but maybe on certain accounts, one after another. But yes, like we have been trading with couple of expert advisor for a longer time as well. So guys, thank you very much, and thanks for staying with me. And please like the video if you like, and share it across. And if you are just a viewer, please become my subscriber. Thank you very much, guys.